Now I'm going to insert an image. So we're just going to call this image, call us if you need a business plan for bank approval. So that will knock that down a bit. Okay, so this is how it works in WordPress by default. I'm gonna publish this. Right now it's saying SEO is okay, but if you go down, it's going to tell us some obvious weaknesses. You only have 40 words. Recommend a minimum of 300. Add more content that's relevant to the topic. No internal links appear on this page. Consider adding some as appropriate. No outbound links appear. Okay, so let's just do this. We just Google business plans. Okay, let's just find the BDC has a toolkit. So I'm going to go back to my page. I'm just going to add this last bit of content. If you want to write a business plan on your own, try this. BDC business template. If you need help, call us today. Okay, and then I'm going to highlight BDC business plan template. I'm going to click the link. Okay, I'm just going to click link options. Enter the URL here. That's the link text. Open in a new tab. I want the link open off another website. I don't want to leave my website right away. Click add link. Okay. Now, there was no button for no follow, right? So I'm going to click text, and they put in the rel equals no opener. I'm going to go rel equals no follow. SEO title is too short. Use the space to add keywords, so I just have business plan writing, very short. But you don't have to go long. This is just making a suggestion. Yoast isn't like the absolute rule of SEO. Google is, right? And so you don't always have to follow its suggestions, but when you see things like 62 words, when 300 is suggested, it's probably, yeah, let's make a note of that. And if you have a website that has 100 pages, so now if we go to pages, right here, the cool thing I like about Yoast is, say you had 100 pages and they're all green, and then you had a couple yellows or reds, you're like, oh, they're probably weak, let's go in and have a look at those. So it's good to help you track your website. So now we have a page, and I'm just going to do one WordPress thing here. Under appearance, I'm going to click customize. So we actually have a legitimate website. And under customize, it's going to have homepage settings. So it wants, because it's a default blog platform, it wants to put up your latest post. I want it to show a static page. Okay? So some people's website lead with the blog. So homepage select, I only have one. I can pick any page to be the homepage. That's the one I want to be the homepage. Click publish. Now, a funny thing happened also. Because I turned that into my homepage, close out of here. It also took the URL that I had created. So my business plan writer page is gone, because I converted the page business plan writer into the homepage. So I can lead with the website being this and having an H1 business plan writer, and that might be okay. If this is 80% of my business though, and I'm finding I'm not ranking for business plan writing type searches, consider keeping some generic content on the homepage and maybe some of your other services, and creating that page / business plan writer. Any links that were going to your homepage from other sites that were about business plan writer, try to get those redirected to your new page. See if your new page does better. And it could. Like my SEO page is matterhornsolutions.ca / Calgary-SEO. That ranks for SEO, not my homepage. If I turn that page into my homepage, I might lose my ranking. I'm not willing to play with that. On a new website, you can try it. And if you have some pages that have been around, like a home page that's never getting ranked, but it has a lot of key content, consider pulling it off and creating a page for it, putting something else on your home page and see if that makes a difference. It can't get any worse than it already is of not ranking. Let's create a new page just for the sake of argument and for the AdWords example. Add pages, add new. Business plan. Business plan readiness. Oh, let's get back to that page. Okay, so now we have this page. I'm just going to publish it. I'm not going to do the SEO because we can be here all day with all these different examples.